And me I say, I big up all I get to youth them. Big up Clifton and Howerton, all of Spain Town. Big up Portmore. Judges, kick your rhythm. Yeah. You know I have to keep it real and true. Out here with it, without fear. $1 million voice. May I tell you something? Remember days when me nah no food for go a mouth. Water running but my life is a jot. Out of the ghetto man want fi move out. Tell me family and friends just make we shoot out. And no gun thing you hear me I tell you about. Where them they were hungry I cut like chat. Run us so hard and it's no joke. No, it's no joke. Me mother pray for me every day and every night. She know a man while me a real crocodile. No worry her head because she have to get spoiled. Make the money stack it up until it reach the sky. Remember one choosing fancy board house with fly. That the really special mother and my father not lie. But mommy faith make me know me have to survive. Zedok so go and hold it call life so nice. Ghetto life is hard. Only thing them offer a jailhouse and the mag. Out inna the street now turn off in me yard. Go for where me want even if it get hard. Feel like man no one fly pan plane go abroad. Read to the link and coulda never been a fraud. True man firm make you never see man ball. Money pan the run and destruction a call yo. Stress a beat like rhythm. Missy brain fly like pigeon. Father God a protect even though man still a fear sin. Mother time on a loser time now for man win. Make the under fly like say it got wing. Yeah, them woulda kill you for your own things. Carry the money enough like the guard man brings. Tap a line until it turn in a one piece of string. So we do we thing and give thanks for blessing. Cause ghetto life is hard. Only thing them offer jailhouse and the mark. Out inna the street now and turn off in me yard. Go for where me want even if it get hard. Feel like man no one fly pan plane go abroad. Read to the link I coulda never be no fraud. True man firm make you never see man ball. Money pan the run and destruction a call. Yeah, big up. Thanks for your platform, same way.
Alright, so that was the band Desi Frost. What you mean? Right now, no, now to keep him in the competition. And remember, now for just keep the votes them up. When they find to get the ticket, them boss, so they don't know. Now for just go out there, you know what I mean? Have the supporters, them, and the fans, them, keep on supporting you to keep you in the 100% talent showcase show. Alright, so Kisha Las Vegas. Yeah, what's about the artist Desi? Come out. How am I going?
For Desi, I listened to his
Turn
words.
down the beats. Turn down the beats.
Okay. For Desi, I listened to his words, you know, and basically he was saying, you know, living in the ghetto is like one thing you have to look forward to is death and some kind of curse, you know, and I like the idea that he says, you know, you want to fly, you want to do nice things too. And everybody at the ghetto want to do evil. You know that way there? And if there's an opportunity like this platform, he says he's up for it. And that is why I'm just so excited to have him in 100% talent. Very nice. And I like your personality. It comes through in your music as well. Very good.
All right, so you're from the beautiful female, Kisha, Las Vegas. Yeah. What go on? Yeah, sound check. Everything all right. So you know from the female, them I represent for you. She just says a nice song. Everybody would love to fly out of the ghetto. Elevation. Hey, Ara General, what you have to say about that? Because I like that song there too, you know. Yes, Desi.
Yeah. Desi Frost, the eye name. Big up the eye self. You see me I deal with? Yeah, I love the music and love the lyrics. But here what for me I know. I don't know if the eye and the eye have similarity in terms of lungs, breath control. You see me I deal because me have a similarity with problem with that. You see me I deal with, so me hear in a part where you have to hold back the rhythm. Because you know it go. Rhythm have to leave it, but you know hold it back said way, because you know we are bad artists though. So you know hold back the rhythm. You see me, but we are listening, we have the ears, so we are listening to the words them where you say I know say you're potent and you say some positive words. So we have to give thanks for that and give thanks for you being a part of the program. You see me? So you know when the show starts, you know it go 100% you have to give them. You see me I deal with? Don't say a word, man. Man,
all right, the judge himself, our general, him say him like it. Say